Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and upload my STL for creating the multi-view. So I'm going to come over to here. I've opened a fresh file. I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to insert a mesh. I'm going to select from my computer, and I'm going to go Fletchosaurus. I'm going to hit Open, and it takes a little time. So the first thing I'm going to do as this comes in is I'm going to transform it. I'm going to put it upright the way I want it. And I keep on going back to my navigation cube. And for instance, I want to go rotate it 90 this way. I'm going to go ahead and move it over, transform it. I'm going to come down and let's see, look around. That's all right. I got it centered up. I got it facing when I hit the front. I got it facing what I think is a good front. And I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to save this as that's your source. This is about my 5th one. I'm going to put it into Christmas ornaments. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. All right, so I have that file in there. Now I'm going to go up to design and change that design to drawing from design. I want to put this on 8.5 by 11 or size A paper. My units are inches. I'm going to hit OK. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place my base view. I want to place my base view. I'll left click to do that and hit OK. It's going to take a second. The computer, even though I got it under 500,000 triangles, it's going to take a little while, be a little laggy. So I'm patient. I'm going to go ahead and, I was about to pause it. Now I'm going to hit projected view, top left. I'm going to come down, click on that. I'm going to put its top view up here, its right view over here, and it's isometric there. And then I'm going to hit check mark, and it's going to lag again. So as it is lagging, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. Okay, that was a good solid, close to a minute of lag. Frustrating. All right, so now I'm going to redo my title block. So I'm going to customize my title block. There's a lot of stuff in here I don't really care to have, and I want to get a picture in here. I've made a picture in Photopea, which is a Photoshop knockoff, that I'm going to do that. So I'm going to left click to select my title block. I'm then going to right click and hit edit title block. So now I have some ability. I'm going to call this custom 1 and hit OK. All right, and now I'm into it. So I'm going to put a picture over here, and I'm going to move everything else over here. So I want to move my title block over to here. I'm going to move the title, and that would be Fletchosaurus. I'm going to delete this, so I click on that and just press delete. I'm going to keep the project line. So I'm going to, let's see, click on that line, take it over, and snap it to that. Move the whole thing up a bit. I'm going to bring this over and snap it to that. I think I'm going to move this way a bit. Yeah, I'm going to move this over here, and I'm imagining this. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of revisions. I'm going to get rid of drawing number. I'm going to get rid of code. Scale I'm going to leave. I'll get rid of weight, and I'm going to get rid of sheet. So now I'm going to delete some stuff. I'm going to move this over here. Get rid of that line. Get rid of this line. Get rid of this line. And put this over here. I'm going to get rid of checked. I'm going to leave approved, size, and scale. All right. So obviously I got a little work. I'm going to go ahead and next, oops, Control Z that. I didn't mean to do that. The next thing I'm going to do is, I'm moving these all over out of there, but I'm going to go ahead and insert my drawing. I'm going to insert my drawing and kind of work around that, and then I'll finish up the labeling. So I'm going to go to Insert Image, and it'll give me an option here, hopefully. It's just kind of went dark. Okay, I was confused. It was lagging from my computer. So I'm going to insert from my computer. I'm going to go in here. I made this in Photopea. I'm going to go ahead and place it down here. Oops. All right. I'm going to hit OK and then wrestle with it into position. So you have to click the outside edge of that. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to grab this corner and make it a little bigger. And I'm going to center that in there. So I've made this. This is Ahab's toy chest for children tormented with an everlasting itch for toys remote. Look it up, children. You got to read classic literature. I'm going to go in and delete this line. I'm going to bring this line now down. I got that in there the way I want it. Actually, I'm going to drag this down a little bit. There we go. I'm going to bring this snap to that bottom, bring that over to here. All right, so now I can go and complete some lines. Is that over? Yeah, I want to snap this to that line. Okay, so now I got title. I'm going to center that in there just by eye. Project, I'm going to center there. I'm going to center this underneath that. And when I'm highlighted on that, I want to maybe double click on this once. Yes, and I'm going to center justify it. Close, center justify this one. Close, now move them into position. That way the title and the project will be centered. Excuse me. All right, now I want to try to get the rest of this in here. So I'm going to just kind of moving stuff off to the side here as I get going. Let's see, this line's going to move up and come over to the edge. I got to get size and scale. I'm going to get approved date. I'm going to take that out. Drawn date. I'll leave that in. All right. And then let's see. I think I can move this up. Oh, boy. Got to move that. This is a little fussy when I move this around in here. I'm going to Control Z that. All right. Oh, boy. Put that there.